Good morning, students. In previous session, we will discuss about algebraic identities. Today, again, let us continue with the rest of the identities. First of all, identity 6, a plus b whole cube. Dear students, this a plus b whole cube can be written like a plus b into a plus b into a plus b. And according to our first identity, this a plus b into a plus b, that becomes a plus b whole square, which can be written like a square plus 2ab plus b square. Therefore, this a plus b whole cube can be written like a plus b into a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now, first we multiply this a square plus 2ab plus b square with a and then with plus b. जब बेटा हम इस ए स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वायर को ए से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, दिस ए इंटू ए स्क्वायर बिकम्स ए क्यूब. जब इस ए से 2ab को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, ए इंटू ए अगेन बिकम्स ए स्क्वायर एंड दिस होल बिकम्स प्लस 2a स्क्वायर बी. और जब इस ए को बी स्क्वायर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, दिस बिकम्स प्लस ए बी स्क्वायर. अब इस b से ए स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वायर को करेंगे. जब प्लस b से ए स्क्वायर को करेंगे, दैट बिकम्स बी ए स्क्वायर और ए स्क्वायर बी. बोथ हैव द सेम मीनिंग बिकॉज इन केस ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑर्डर डजेंट मैटर. मैंने पहले भी आपको बताया. जब प्लस b से इस 2ab को करेंगे, देन ए बी इंटू ए बी बिकम्स बी स्क्वायर एंड दिस होल बिकम्स प्लस 2ab स्क्वायर. और जब इस प्लस b से प्लस बी स्क्वायर को करेंगे, दिस बिकम्स प्लस बी क्यूब. अब बेटा ए क्यूब और बी क्यूब को एक साथ लिख लेंगे. ये 2a स्क्वायर बी और दिस 1a स्क्वायर बी, ये दोनों लाइक टर्म्स हैं, इन्हें एक साथ लिख लेंगे. प्लस 2a स्क्वायर बी प्लस ए स्क्वायर बी. और ये ए बी स्क्वायर और 2ab स्क्वायर, ये दोनों भी लाइक टर्म्स हैं, इनको भी एक साथ लिख लेंगे. ए बी स्क्वायर 2ab स्क्वायर. एंड नाउ this becomes a cube plus b cube. 2a square b plus 1a square b, that becomes 3a square b. And this ab square plus 2ab square, that becomes plus 3ab square. Therefore students, this a plus b whole cube becomes a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. अगर यहाँ से बेटा इन दोनों टर्म से हम 3ab कॉमन ले लें, देन दिस a प्लस बी होल क्यूब बिकम्स a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस 3ab इंटू a प्लस b. नाउ वी कम टू आइडेंटिटी 7, a माइनस b होल क्यूब. दिस a माइनस b होल क्यूब अगेन कैन बी रिटन लाइक a माइनस b इंटू a माइनस b इंटू a माइनस b. एंड एज पर आवर आइडेंटिटी सेकेंड, दिस a minus b into a minus b becomes a minus b whole square, which is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So students, now here we have to multiply this a minus b with a square minus 2ab plus b square. पहले a square minus 2ab plus b square को a से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, फिर a square minus 2ab plus b square को minus b से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. जब a से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, similar as case in first identity 6, a into a square becomes a cube. This becomes minus 2a into a square b and this becomes plus ab square. जब माइनस बी से इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, दिस बिकम्स माइनस बी ए स्क्वायर और माइनस ए स्क्वायर बी. दिस बिकम्स माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस 2a b इंटू बी स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab स्क्वायर एंड दिस बिकम्स माइनस बी इंटू प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस बी क्यूब. माइनस इंटू प्लस बिकम्स माइनस. नाउ ए क्यूब और माइनस बी क्यूब को एक साथ लिख लेंगे. दिस ए स्क्वायर बी और दिस ए स्क्वायर बी लाइक टर्म्स है बेटा, एक साथ लिख लेंगे दोनों को. और ऐसे ही ए बी स्क्वायर और ए बी स्क्वायर, ये भी लाइक टर्म्स है, इनको भी एक साथ लिख लेंगे. दिस माइनस 2a स्क्वायर बी एंड माइनस 1a स्क्वायर बी, दैट बिकम्स माइनस 3a स्क्वायर बी. दोनों में माइनस का साइन है, दोनों ऐड हो जाएंगी और जो रिजल्ट होगा हमारा वो माइनस साइन के साथ होगा. एंड दिस प्लस 1ab स्क्वायर और प्लस 2ab स्क्वायर, दैट बिकम्स प्लस 3ab स्क्वायर. देयरफॉर दिस a माइनस b होल क्यूब बिकम्स इक्वल्स टू a क्यूब माइनस b क्यूब माइनस 3a स्क्वायर b प्लस 3ab स्क्वायर. और यहाँ अगर फिर इन दोनों लास्ट टू टर्म्स से -3ab कॉमन ले लें बेटा, दैट बिकम्स a क्यूब माइनस बी क्यूब माइनस 3ab इंटू a माइनस बी। जब इस -3ab को a माइनस बी से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो वी गेट द सेम रिजल्ट। सो दिस a माइनस बी होल क्यूब कैन बी रिटन लाइक a क्यूब माइनस बी क्यूब माइनस 3a स्क्वायर बी प्लस 3ab स्क्वायर, और a क्यूब माइनस बी क्यूब माइनस 3ab इंटू a माइनस b। Now let us take an example based on these two identity. Write the following cubes in expanded form. First one 2x plus 1 whole cube and second one 2a minus 3b whole cube. First of all, this first one 2x plus 1 whole cube. This is just like our identity 6a plus b whole cube, but in place of a here we have 2x and in place of b we have 1. So we apply identity first. 6 first term becomes a cube means 2x whole cube plus b cube means 1 whole cube plus 3a square b. In place of a we have 2x whole square into b means 1, and plus 3ab square. In place of a we have 2x and in place of b we have 1, that becomes 3 into 2x into 1 whole square, and this whole becomes 2x का जब क्यूब करेंगे बेटा that becomes 8x क्यूब प्लस 1 का क्यूब करेंगे 1, this becomes 2x whole square 4x square into 3 12x square into 1 means 12x square, और here 3 2 जा 6x into 1 का स्क्वायर 1 होगा into 1 means 6x, and after writing this one in standard form in descending power of variables, this can be written like 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1. Now we come to second one 2a minus 3b whole cube. This is just like a minus b whole cube. In place of a we have 2a and in place of b we have 2b. So students, we just replace a by 2a and b by 3b in a minus b whole cube, that becomes 2a whole cube minus 3b whole cube minus 3 2a whole square into 3b plus 3 into 2a into 3b whole square, just like a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This first term becomes 8a cube minus second one 27b cube, and this third term becomes 2a whole square becomes 4a square, 4a square into 3 12a square, and 12a square into 3b, that becomes 36a square b with negative sign, and this last term becomes 3b whole square becomes 9b square, 9b square into 2a, that becomes 18ab square multiplied by 3, that becomes 54ab square. Okay beta, now we come to next example based on these two identities. Evaluate the following using suitable identity. First one 99 whole cube and second one 102 whole cube. Here students, we find the value of these cubes without doing actual multiplication. Solution of first one 99 whole cube. This can be written like 100 minus 1 whole cube, and now this will becomes just like our identity 7 a minus b whole cube. In place of a we have 100 and in place of b we have 1, so it becomes just like a minus b whole cube, a cube 100 cube minus b cube 1 cube minus 3 a square means 100 square into b means 1 plus 3 a means 100 into b square means 1 square, and this whole becomes 10 lakhs cube of 100 minus 1 cube 1 minus 100 square becomes 10,000 multiplied by 3, this becomes minus 30,000, and plus 100 into 3, that becomes 300, and after calculating this whole we get 9,70,299. Second one 102 whole cube, that can be written like 100 plus 2 whole cube, and this is like our identity 6 a plus b whole cube. In place of a we have 100 and in place of b we have 2, so replace a by 100 and b by 2 in a plus b whole cube, we get this one a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. And after calculating 100 cube, that again becomes 10 lakhs, plus 2 cube becomes 8, plus 100 square becomes 10,000, multiplied by 3 30,000, multiplied again by 2, that becomes 60,000, plus 100 into 3, that becomes 300, multiplied by 2 square 4, that becomes 1200, and this whole becomes 10 lakhs 61,208. Again, we take one more example based on these identities. Factorize each of the following. First one, 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. And second, 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square. Now solution of first student, that is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. This 8a cube can be written like 2a whole cube, plus this b cube can be written like b whole cube, and after rearranging, this 12a square b can be written like 3 into 2a whole square into b. After calculating here, this 2a square becomes 4a square multiplied by 3, 12a square b. We have the same result. And this 6ab square can be written like 3 into 2a into b whole square. And now this form becomes just like a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, which is according to our identity 6 becomes equals to a plus b whole cube. Here in place of a we have 2a, in place of b we have b, therefore it becomes 2a plus b whole cube, which can be written like 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. These are the three factors of this given question, 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Now we come to second one, 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square. Again, this 64a cube can be written like 4a whole cube, minus this 27b cube can be written like 3b whole cube, and after rearranging, this 144a square b can be written like minus 3 into 4a whole square into 3b, and this 108ab square can be written like plus 3 into 4a into 3b whole square. And again this form is just like a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, which is equals to a minus b whole cube. In place of a we have 4a, and in place of b we have 3b. So this becomes equals to 4a minus 3b whole cube, which can be written like 4a minus 3b into 4a minus 3b into 4a minus 3. Now students, we come to identity 8, which is a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. It means sum of two cubic terms. This identity can be proved easily after taking RHS, right hand side students. In right hand side we have a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. First of all, we multiply a square minus ab plus b square with a, and then when we multiply this a with a square, that becomes a cube. When we multiply this a with minus ab, that becomes minus a square b, and when we multiply this a with plus b square, that becomes plus ab square. Now we multiply this b with a square, that becomes plus ba square or a square b. When we multiply plus b with minus ab, that becomes minus ab square, and when we multiply this b with plus b square, that becomes plus b cube. Now here students, this minus a square b and plus a square b both are cancelled out, both are the like terms, one is positive and another one is negative. Similarly, ab square is cancelled out with minus ab square, and we have a cube plus b cube. So students, sum of two cubic terms becomes equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. इसका मतलब ये हुआ स्टूडेंट्स कि इसमें जब हम ए क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब को फैक्टराइज करेंगे, इन फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट वी हैव सेम टर्म्स a plus b without cubes, and in second bracket we have square of first term plus square of second term and product of these two terms with opposite sign. यहाँ प्लस है तो प्रोडक्ट के साथ माइनस. Okay, now we come to identity 9, which is difference of two cubic terms a cube minus b cube, that is equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This also can be proved easily after taking right hand side. Here in right hand side we have a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. First of all we multiply this a square plus ab plus b square with a and then with minus b. When we multiply this one with a into a square becomes a cube, a into plus ab becomes plus a square b, and a into plus b square becomes plus ab square. When we multiply this a square with minus b, that becomes minus ba square or minus a square b. When we multiply this minus b with plus ab, that becomes minus ab square, and when we multiply this minus b with plus b square, that becomes minus b cube. Again plus a square b and minus a square b both are cancelled out, and similarly plus ab square and minus ab square, and we get a cube minus b cube. Therefore student, factors of a cube minus b cube, we have a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. It means in first bracket we have the same term with same sign, a minus b. In second bracket we have square of first term plus square of second term and product of these two with opposite sign. यहाँ माइनस है तो यहाँ प्लस ए बी. Now we have some examples based on these two identities 8 and 9. Factorize each of the following. First one 27y cube plus 125z cube, and second one 64m cube minus 343n cube. First of all, this first one 27y cube plus 125z cube, that 27y cube can be written like 3y whole cube plus this 125z cube can be written like 5z whole cube. Now this becomes just like a cube plus b cube. In first bracket we have same terms 3ay plus 5z. In second bracket we have square of first term 3y whole square plus square of second term plus 5z whole square, and product of these two 3y into 5z with opposite sign means with minus 3y into 5z, and this whole becomes 3y plus 5z into 9y square minus 15yz plus 25z square. Now we come to second one 64m cube minus 343n cube. This 64m cube can be written like 4m whole cube, and minus this 343n cube can be written like 7n whole cube. Now this is just like a cube minus b cube. In first bracket again we have the same terms 4m minus 7n, and in second bracket we have square of first term 4m whole square plus square of second term plus 7n whole square, and product of these two 4m into 7n with opposite sign. यहाँ माइनस है तो यहाँ प्लस 4m into 7n, and this whole becomes 4m minus 7n into 16m square plus 28mn plus 49n square. Now we come to students our last identity, identity 10, which is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equals to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. This also can be proved easily after taking right hand side, means a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. First of all we multiply this whole with a, then plus b and then plus c, and after multiplication all terms are cancelled out except this a cube, this b cube, this c cube, and minus abc minus abc minus abc, and this whole becomes a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So students, this a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, that becomes equals to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Here students, one important thing, if a plus b plus c becomes equals to 0, then in right hand side we have 0 into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca, and when this whole is multiplied by 0, this whole becomes 0, and this a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc becomes equals to 0, or we can say that this a cube plus b cube plus c cube becomes equals to 3abc. When we transfer this abc from left hand side to right hand side, its sign becomes positive. Now again we have few examples based on this identity 10. First one, factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. This 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz can be written like, this 27x cube can be written like 3x whole cube plus this y whole cube, this z cube whole cube, and minus 3 into 3x plus y plus z. And now student, this form becomes just like a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. In place of a, here we have 3x, in place of b we have y, and in place of c we have z. Therefore its factors becomes a plus b plus c means 3x plus y plus z, and in second bracket we have a square means 3x whole square, which becomes equals to 9x square, plus b square means y square, that becomes y square, plus c square means z square, that becomes z square, minus ab means 3x into y, that becomes minus 3xy, minus bc means minus y into z, that becomes minus yz, and minus ca means minus z into 3x, that becomes minus 3zx. One more example based on this identity. Without actually calculating the cubes, find the values of the following. इन क्वेश्चंस में डियर स्टूडेंट्स आपको क्यूब्स फाइंड आउट नहीं करने हैं, बट आफ्टर अप्लाइंग दिस आइडेंटिटी 10 वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यूज ऑफ दीज टू. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, minus 12 whole cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. Here let this a equals to minus 12, b equals to 7 and c equals to 5. And when we find out a plus b plus c, that becomes equals to minus 12 plus 7 plus 5 plus 7 plus 5 means plus 12, and it becomes minus 12 plus 12 means 0. Here students, we have a plus b plus c equals to 0. Therefore according to our identity 10, when a plus b plus c equals to 0, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is always equals to 3abc. Therefore minus 12 whole cube plus 7 whole cube plus 5 whole cube becomes equals to 3 into minus 12 into 7 into 5, and this whole becomes minus 1260. Now come to second example. 28 whole cube plus minus 15 whole cube plus minus 13 whole cube. Here students, let a equals to 28, b equals to minus 15 and c equals to minus 13. Again when we try to find out a plus b plus c, that becomes equals to 28 plus minus 15 plus minus 13. Here minus 15 plus minus 13, that becomes minus 28, and we have 28 minus 28 equals to 0. Again here we have a plus b plus c equals to 0. Therefore a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc, and hence this 28 whole cube plus minus 15 whole cube plus minus 13 whole cube, that is equals to 3 into 28 into minus 15 into minus 13, and that becomes equals to 16,380 with positive sign. Minus into minus becomes plus. So students, this is all about your total 10 identities on which your exercise 2.5 is based. Now you try to solve this worksheet which is given just after these identities and come forward with your problems. Thank you and have a nice day.